Powered by Plascon, today's handy hero comes from AAA Paints in Worcester.
It's been around in the excess of 30 years. I took it over 25 years ago. We've quadrupled in size. We like to boast that we've got the largest stock holding this side of the mountain, being the Boland region. We're very proud about the range we carry. We're really one of the largest variety based on color swatches and different types of paint. Our customers are basically the greater Boland, being from Mrs. Housewife to the local welder to some industrial enterprises. So we cater for basically any paint need. We only specialize in paints, so we won't be the best hardware store, but we're definitely the best paint store in this region. We have got the largest stock holding of any store in this area, in specifically Plascon. We definitely won't find a larger variety than in AAA Paints Worcester. Plascon's been hugely consistent. Ever since I've been here, as far as backup's concerned, has always been first rate. Plascon's Merit Plaster Primer, being multifunctional for blotting out seepage in ceilings, just as a general primer, so that would be my favorite. My DIY tip is, any paint failure is almost 99% due to poor preparation. So prepping of any surface is your number one go-to.
Today's Handy Heroes is powered by Plascon Wall and All. Unmatched dirt, stain, water and fade resistance to keep your walls beautiful for years. Plascon, together we've got this.